name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right. Remember to tune your guitar before playing, or get someone who knows how to tune to help you. For more practice, check out the BB Fuzz tuning videos. To begin this lesson, let's review page 25. Next, let's do page 26. You'll find the notes E and F that we just learned, and we'll add in the G. All three notes can be found on the little E string. Remember, when you're playing the notes, each letter is the name of the note and not the string name. Underneath the note, you'll find which fret you're going to be in. For this particular song, we'll start out with open E, then we'll move up to F in the first fret, up to G in the third fret, and then back to open E. Here's what the EFG song should sound like. E, rest, rest, rest. F, rest, rest, rest. G, rest, rest, rest. E, rest, rest, rest. 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 Now let's try page 27 with more E, F, and G melodies. Try each box separately, then try putting them together. Here's a sample of the first four boxes, played one right after the other. E, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. G, G, F, F, E, 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 rest. 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 Don't forget to read the helpful hint from BB Fuzz on this page. He says, as you become better at playing these boxes, try to use more than just finger 1. You might want to try finger 1 on F and finger 3 on G. Here's what it would look like. Rest. 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 If the string makes a buzzing sound, you'll need to press down a little harder. You'll also need to make sure your finger is not directly on the fret wire. It should be in the middle of the fret. Your finger might become a little sore at first, but with practice the soreness will decrease. Remember, we want our finger between the fret wires and not right on it. If you forget your assignment, come over and take a look. Remember to treat your guitar with kindness and check out your guitar's tuning before you play.